Welcome to my channel. Today I've got two brushless FlexVolt machines. 54 volt in UK and Ireland and Europe, and 60 volt in US. So could these machines potentially be damaging your batteries? The answer is yes. If you've got a faulty FlexVolt machine like this grinder here, I found out recently this was popping batteries on me. I got this one in for repair and this one in for repair. Repaired this and this one was okay, but this one kept damaging my batteries. It took me I had 3 pop before I found out. So what you have to do if you have an offending machine like this that's giving you trouble, if it stops working, don't try another battery on it. That's the golden rule before you do this. This test could save your batteries. First of all, you cable tie the switch on in the on position like this, the full way. And second of all, you get a multimeter and get it to there's this symbol on the screen, this one here, and go to the positive and negative terminals. You put the probes onto the terminals like this. Observe this reading on the screen. If you get nothing, I see I was getting something there, but it's not enough anyway. If you get nothing or anything below 0.53 on that screen, or even that OL, do not put a battery in your machine because it's going to pop the connections on it. To give you a proper comparison with a good FlexVolt, again, cable tie the switch, and you're getting the reading of 1.06. That's very good. So if it's above 0.53, it's good. If it's below 0.53, find the nearest bin and throw your FlexVolt onto it. It might seem harsh, but it's true. So always check your FlexVolt machines when they go faulty like that, unless you want to have to do a repair like I've done here, or even worse, pop a connection in the board where you can't see it and it's over. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for all my other videos.